RPC nomana musinga okwija kura enshongeze no kwijaho bwa nyuma y'abatura kutwarira amateko mu ngaro bakacwekereza ibintu bya Juma birimo umwani entoki hamwe na pichi biro bagumize ngo polisi ya Kyegegwa ikamukwata yaheza yamurekura.
Polisi ya Kyegegwa tenyambire kikumana cyo no kwitwara urina ngena mu ofisi zingi. Omuseje bakataka mugisa akajulinga fuiro yanga kujulinga yona. Niyo lire nguzi. Kamugisa. Oguru kaliyo myankoro. Ngenze mwara DC nagenaga mu ofisi manga magena mwara DC. Yako tegwe nje kuyamba. Nogena mwogu nagabatayina bwira kurungi. Fero nakajulinga yona abantu bahandikaga babazaga bakayise batwatwayire tibitiri yahandikaga.
Abaturana bagirangwa abapolisi abakozera fayiro ya Juma bakazibira abantu kora statement ziri kumara cyaretire state attorney okubinga fayiro yabo nguteyine bujuruzi buri kumara.
White RPC IO wakwasize fayiro ejo akanga ku recording a statement as our witness. Nabanisaba abojo bibayangire kukora statement zanyu mwena mu rugeyo hano. Abari bayino ubujulizi bayanga kukora statement zanyu mwije hano. Abantu banu bokurora bakagenda polisi bayeteka mu transport yabo bahereza ubujulizi bwo kusiba Juma ngwa bakamurora mu mwani ikireti cyenyine bayanga kukora statement zabo.
Abantu bo muri Kabugeza bakabane bagamba one statement. One statement was being made. Na hatiya ni bakimanya na chairman Enshonga ari hano kamwe akiza yakora statement. Statement chairman Enshonga yakozire neza abandi bakisobona bizire bakakora statement. Zona nizigambeki one item one content.
Nekigamwa ngo bwa nyuma ya Juma kurekurwa ogwa katandika kufitine sereza abature cyabaretiro kumwirukangaho akabasiga nabo nuko kose yapichize hamwe no kucisha entoke hamwe n'umwana gwe.
This is a vote of no confidence, my brother DPC, with your entire team, my brother Kamudisha. I thought you were serious. And then you are swearing around and you are swearing around that for you are now safe because the case has no evidence. Who is supposed to adduce evidence? You answer. No one is supposed to render evidence. Murder has occurred. It is the responsibility of the police officers to investigate, look for enough evidence to implicate the suspects in custody. So don't blame these civilians. So why were you trained to do that? These are facts, by the way.
RPC nomana musinga uri umudumizi wa polisi habwe cyange cya Rwenzori West ahigira abatura okurekeraho kutwarira amateko mu ngaro.
Kingo na kujumira necyo kutwarira amateka mu ngaro.
Polisi garukire yakwato mugigo guyamwigatire nyuma y'imitehimbwa kandi RPC musinga araganisa abatura ngo bahumure fayiro ya Juma neja korwaho. Gasha kwa Ferupo Murangira.